How's it going? You're here because you want to know how to make money from your phone, and I'm not going to waste any time. How's it going? I am an affiliate marketer, network marketer, been in this game for 8 years, and I'm going to show you how you can take companies with simple but unique softwares and profit. Right now, the short form video or even the long form video is huge right now, especially on YouTube, because YouTube is a search engine, meaning if you make a video about how to make money from your phone, there's going to be thousands of people searching for this on a weekly basis. So you want to get your video in the mix, and if you have something unique like I'm going to show you, it's going to be next level. So look, this program is a lifestyle financial software program. They have memberships. They have memberships that have savings for car insurance, savings for businesses, savings on shopping, savings on eating out, credit repair, health savings, health benefits, a whole bunch of stuff. So if we scroll down, you're going to see we have shopping, dining, dental, business bills, healthcare, vision, doctor visits, pet discounts. So can we agree that these things are searched? This is not just something we pull it out of the air and sit here. This is something that people are paying for on a daily basis, weekly basis. So if we scroll down, here are some brands this program are partnered with. I think, we can say at least 2 of these that you're probably familiar with. You have people that are going to actually help you, depending on the membership, negotiate your bills that you already have down for years and years. So I'm going to go straight to the memberships. I'm going to click one, and it's going to show all 3 memberships. You can literally start this business for as low as $20 a month, as you see right here. So it's affordable. In the affiliate network marketing space, these companies pretty much let you become the advertiser. The only requirement is they usually make you buy the software or the service, and they let you resell it. It's as simple as that. Plus, a lot of people want to make money online without, paying for anything. How does that make sense? How are you going to be able to promote something that you don't even take, that you don't even offer? So the company's going to cut their advertising down in the middle, and instead of buying commercials, they're going to pay affiliates to get the word out there. So for $20 a month, you're going to get discounts on hotel, dining, shopping, entertainment, and the credit repair is thrown in there. The only other cost when it comes to credit repair, because I know that's a big thing, is monitoring services. That is not included. They actually connect the monitoring service that you can get for $20 to $30 a month. Additionally, if you want to go through that process of credit repair. Besides that, you can really run this business for $20 a month. As you see, the prices goes up, and you're like, hey, why am I going to pay this? Look what you offer. When you're paying for these memberships, you're not paying to make money. You're paying for actual services. So it depends where your lifestyle is. Maybe you just need hotel, dining, credit repair. Some people need, some people want the family legal plan, employee discount, global travel assistance. If we get over here, some people want teledoc, which is 24-hour doctors on call. Some people want the roadside assistance, the dental savings, the vision, the prescription, the financial helpline, the free tax prep, the free annual tax preparation, the discounts on vacation, and even more benefits with credit repair. Some people need that. So when you get into these programs, see what it is that you need and you believe in, because say you come in and you make no money, at least you have a service or a product that you use. So when you're joining these programs, make sure it is a service and product that you will use. So if you don't make results right away, you are still using the product or service that you actually need. That's the great thing about this form of making money online. So if we scroll through, because I know your next question is, well, I don't know if I'm going to be able to do it. Are you going to help me, etc.? My team has a whole platform for training. Plus, you can get this in app form. That's where the make money from your phone comes. You can have this system to learn from, and you can send all your prospects to your website, and it's going to set them up with this same platform. So you don't really have to train people. You don't have to teach people. We do it for you. So here you're going to get access to the app. You're going to follow this top to bottom. You're going to have access to the app. You're going to have access to any other, thing you want to learn in this industry. You're going to have training on actually how I'm making these videos, how you can make these videos. You're going to have a Facebook group. You're going to have weekly lives, webinars. You're going to have access to how to sign people up, how to talk to people. You're going to have access to what is this program? How does this savings portal work? How does all of this, happen? You're going to have all that wrapped around here where you can take an hour a day to learn this and another hour a day to make your videos, make your content like I'm doing right now. So this is how you're going to make money online. And I feel like this is the best way to make money from your phone without a whole bunch of steps, without a whole bunch of learning, buying courses. You're getting right to the point. And the course is included. We made a course for you where you can go in here and learn everything you need and what is popular as far as marketing your business. So guys, this is how you're gonna make money from your phone, money online, money from anywhere in 2023 or whatever year that you may run across this. So guys, I'm gonna have the information in the description below. You're gonna click that. You're gonna fill out your name and email, and you're gonna go through everything. Set aside 35 to 50 minutes so you can go through everything, really absorb it, and get started for as low as $20 a month. You don't have to get any of the other memberships. It's whatever you're looking for in your life, guys. Have a good one.